Make sure when you put this together that you have Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Welcome to the next part of this TWS VTR Kit build series. In this part of the build series, we are going to go over the transmission and driveline. For this part of the series, you'll need the bag for step 3. You'll need bags H, I, J, and L. For this part of the series, you'll also need the bags for step 5. As you can see here, some of the parts for step 3 are in the step 5 bag. For step 3-1, you'll need the following parts. You'll need the 2 halves of the housing from bag H. You'll need 3 M3x16s, 2 M2 by 7.8 pins, and 6 M2 by 9.8 pins, 8 5x10x4 bearings, 1 20-tooth gear, 3 25-tooth gears, 4 of these shafts, 4 washers, and 4 M3x5s. Let's start off with the 20-tooth gear first. You can see here how these gears are supposed to rotate. Now I'm going to grease these a little bit. Alright, now make sure when you put this together that you have 2 shafts, the top and the left facing up and the right bottom facing down. So it should look like that. And you've got one of these left over. That's probably going to be used for a future step. So that completes step 3-1. For step 3-2, you'll need these following parts. You'll need these 4 parts from bag I, these 4 gears from bag H. You'll need these 3 by 9.8 pins, these 2 gear shafts, 1 M2 by 6 round head screw or button head screw, 4 M2 by 8 Phillips head screws, and they're countersunk, this 1 10 by 15 by 4 bearing, a 5 by 10 by 4 bearing, and 2 4 by 8 by 3 bearings. Alright, when you're finished with this part of the assembly, it should look like this. Remember that you do not want to over tighten these screws right here so that the gears spin freely. Alright, we'll now put the other part of the step together. Alright, and that completes step 3-2. Now for those of you that have bought the upgrade part for the planetary gear reducer, basically it's a metal version of this right here, and it also comes with extra gears to use with this. I think I got this all sent together, so I'm not sure they come together, but that's what I'll be using those extra gears for. For step 3-3, you'll need these following parts. You'll need this part from bag I, these parts from bag J. You'll need 7 M2 by 20 cap head screws. You need 6 M2 by 10 cap head screws, and you'll need 5 M2.5 by 10 countersunk screws. Make sure these all line up. Alright, and that completes step 3-3. For step 3-4, you'll need the following. You'll need this part from bag J, a motor of your choice. In this case, I'm using the Team Associated or Reedy Power 16-turn 5-slot motor. This is what comes with the Element Enduros. You'll need these 3 M2 by 10 cap head screws, the pinion and the grub screw supplied, 2 M3 by 10s with 2 washers. Maybe just a little bit more. Alright, I've got a mesh I'm happy with. And with that, this completes step 3-4. For step 3-5, you'll need this part from bag J, these 2 parts from bag H, and this 1 part from bag L. You'll also need 3 M3 by 12 button head screws or round head screws, these 6 O-rings, 2 M3 nuts, and these 2 M3 by 16 grub screws. And that completes step 3-5. That also completes this part of the build series, the transmission and transfer case. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this TWS VTR Kit build series. Thanks for watching.